He put a flip-flop on his angle grinder and apparently created the perfect tool. Because why would anyone use a regular grinding disc when you can grab the most advanced technology ever invented? A sandal from the corner of your house. He woke up inspired, looked at that lonely flip-flop and thought, innovation. So, he shoved it onto the grinder like a true visionary engineer. Now he believes everyone will rush to their workshops to copy this stunning invention. After all, nothing says professional craftsmanship like footwear spinning at high speed. Absolutely remarkable genius work. Incredibly impressive. Totally.